not gonna work for me. Oh my god. You're not afraid of heights, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay, good. At least one of us will be stable.
Don't worry, your boyfriend is up there.
Meaning me, not Lou, because Lou sucks.
That's your boyfriend.
Oh, she didn't mean it, Lou.
Yes, I did.
Oh my god, we're high.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, look how pretty.
Oh my gosh, it is really pretty up here.
Hey, good job, Mexico. Oh my god, this thing looks like it's gonna break right here.
Shut up, it's not gonna break.
That's ridiculous. Hey.
Mexico, stop trying to go first. Wait in line like everybody else.
So how does one get down from up here? Is there
an elevator?
There better be an elevator. Oh god, I'm going to hell. Look, see this Cadillac Mexican in front of me? He's the one that found my way up here. Thanks!